Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Taking a live look at Medford, a beautiful day today. We saw definitely plenty of sunshine through the afternoon. Clouds went on the decrease. Plenty of snow there up at Mount Ashland yesterday for the closing day. They're still recording bases in the triple digits, but there is going to be some pretty decent melting going on in the days ahead. Right now, 62 degrees in Medford, but with the drier conditions, ODF Southwest saying that they've responded to the first 3 fires of the season. All were very small today. All were extinguished pretty quickly, but that is a reminder as we head into the days ahead, especially with this warmer and drier stretch of weather. Still going to be a concern. Much of the region still seeing deficits when it comes to the water year, and we still have drought conditions across a good chunk of southern Oregon and northern California. But temperatures this hour, we're in the lower 60s in many of our west side valleys, 50s along the coast. Down in Siskiyou County, 63 degrees right now in Montague, 64 in Mount Shasta. Over on the east side, temperatures are in the mid to upper 50s right now, 58 degrees in Klamath Falls. Winds are a bit breezy. That is definitely the concern out there with these lower humidity values as well as the winds. But winds will die down for inland areas as we head into tonight. Still a bit of a breeze keeping up along the coast tonight. We have lots of sunshine throughout southern Oregon and northern California. But with the clear skies and lighter winds, we do expect those temperatures to drop off pretty quick. Last night was spectacular. We had definitely more in the way of clouds, but there were enough breaks where we did get several photos of the northern lights in southern Oregon and northern California. This one, you can see Table Rock there in the foreground, some beautiful lights. This sent in from Matthew Newman. Also over in the basin, this is from Upper Klamath Lake. Folsom sending in this beautiful photo of the Aurora Borealis. And then check out this photo. This was south of Wairika. Bradley Foster showing the colors of red and green. Now tonight, though, the areas that will likely see the northern lights will be further to our north, so we'll probably miss out. But skies will be clear enough for some star watching, and we'll see temperatures falling, though, into the upper 20s over on the east side, 30s throughout our west side valley. So it's going to be a chilly start to tomorrow, but with a lot of sunshine, just some passing higher level clouds. We're going to start that warming trend, getting into the 70s in the Rogue Valley tomorrow. We'll look for temperatures to get up to around 76 in Grants Pass and Medford, 75 in Wairika, up to 68 in Klamath Falls, and 72 in Brookings. And look at the warming trend for Crater Lake, getting into the 50s tomorrow, up to 59 on Wednesday. So right now the snow depth as of yesterday, they didn't update this morning, at 146 inches, but we'll be seeing that melting pretty quick this week as those temperatures continue to warm. Here's a look at the coast. The temperatures will be in the upper 70s on Wednesday. Blustery winds, sunshine, that Checo effect is going to really warm things up for the Brookings area. And then for the Rogue Valley, look for those temperatures to continue to climb. Our first 80s of the season on Wednesday, and then flirting with 90 on Thursday. But don't worry, Friday will likely see our first 90-degree day in the Rogue Valley. A cooling trend, though, looks to take place Sunday into Monday. Here's your 7-day forecast for the coast. Breezy and bright and warm the next few days, but notice more in the way of marine clouds and onshore breeze will cool things down for Friday into the weekend. That'll be the place to beat the heat. Northern California, highs getting into the 80s Wednesday and Thursday, up around 90 for highs Friday and Saturday. For the Klamath Basin, expect those temperatures to continue to warm. The nights looking less chilly as well later in the week. Up in the mountains, we still have an incredible snowpack, so we still have plenty of time to melt all this snow, but that process will take place this week as those temperatures warm. And then taking a look at the forecast for the Rogue Valley, definitely feeling like spring the next couple of days, but then we'll fast forward to summer-like conditions later this week. But it does look like a cooling trend will start to take place coming up Sunday on into early next week.